Okay, welcome to version C, and this one is all third term positive. So hopefully you've looked at A and B, and you're starting to feel comfortable with it. If you're not, hopefully this one will get you through. As a reminder, these are the three rules you have to learn. When the third term is positive, both signs will be the same. Okay, you also know that you're going to take the sign of the middle. And then the factors of the third, they're going to add up to the middle. Okay, so if you find factors that subtract to the middle, that does you no good if the third term is positive. Okay, so now here I'm just going to go left to right on this one. I think I did them up and down in A and B. Let's just go left to right, do them in order. Okay, so the first one I noticed, third term is positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is plus plus. Multiples. Factors of 2 that add the 3 is 2 and 1. Going over here now, third term is positive, but this middle number is negative, so minus minus. 1 multiplies to 10 and adds to 7, that's going to be 5 and 2. Going on to number 3, third term is positive. Take the sign, signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is plus plus. 1 multiplies to 12 and adds to 8, that's going to be 6 and 2. Moving on to number 4, third term is positive. Signs are the same, not positive, the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is minus. That's going to give us a minus minus. Okay, 1 multiplies to 21 and adds to 10, 7, and 3. Just to slow down really quick to double check, what is a negative 7 times a negative 3? The answer is positive 21. Okay, and what is negative 7 plus negative 3? It's a negative 10. So you can always double check them once you're done. Okay, going on to number 5 here. Third term is positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is minus minus. 1 multiplies to 36 and adds to 13. That looks like that's going to be a 9 and a 4. Okay, so now I take a look at number 6. Third term positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is a positive. Now what multiplies to 24 and adds to 11? That's going to be 8 and 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, going on to number 7 here. Third term is positive. Okay, signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is plus plus. 1 multiplies to 45 and adds to 14. That's going to be a 9 and a 5. Going on to number 8, third term positive. That means signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which happens to be negative, so I'm going to write minus minus. 1 multiplies to 32 and adds to 12. Well, that is an 8 and a 4. Going on to number 9, third term positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is plus plus. Multiplies to 50 and adds a 15. That's going to be a 10 and a 5. Going on to number 10, third term is positive. So signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is minus, minus, minus. 1 multiplies to 55 and adds a 16. That would be 11 and 5. Okay, going on to number 11. Third term is positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is minus, minus. And so now what multiplies to 77 and adds to 18? That would be 7 and 11. Negative 11 times negative 7 is positive 77. Negative 11 plus negative 7 is a negative 18. All right, going on to number 12. Third term is positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle. So we're going to go plus plus. Multiplies to 72, adds to 17. That would be 9 and 8. Going on to 13, third term positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle. What multiplies to 20 and adds to 9, that would be 4 and 5. Going on to number 14, third term is positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is minus minus. What multiplies to 8 and adds to 6, 4, and 2. Hopefully you can do these quickly. Press pause. Try to do a few on your own. Third term is positive, so the signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is minus minus. 1 multiplies to 24 and adds to 11. That would be 8 and 3. Going on to number 16, we have a third term positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, plus plus. 1 multiplies to 6 and adds to 5, 3 and 2. Third term positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle. And what multiplies to 35 and adds to 12? That would be 7 and 5. And then going on to number 18, third term positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, minus minus. 1 multiplies in the 45 and adds to 14. That would be 9 and 5. Going on to number 19, 56. This is positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign of the middle, which is minus minus. And this is going to be 8 and 7. If I go to the last one, third term is positive. Signs are the same. Take the sign in the middle. Oops, I got into my little thing there, my little footer. And that's going to be a 7 and a 3. Okay, so why do I keep saying third term is positive? Signs are the same. I know the sheet says third term is positive on all of them. Well, that's true. But what if it's negative? That's a whole nother set of rules. But hopefully after doing 3 sheets of these, that's locked in. If you see third term positive, you know what to do. You're never going to miss these. You feel great about them. So now let's go on and let's do the next video, which shows you what to do with negative. Get all those right, then we're going to mix them together, and you are going to be a pro at something that I see students struggle with all the time, which I'm going to be thrilled if you guys can do this well. So see you in the next lesson.